In this video today, we are going to be doing the paint pour method over a cup. And what you're going to want to do is start by pouring your paint into cups with a little bit of water and mixing them up. After you get done mixing your paints up with the water, you are going to pour them all into the same cup. And make sure you pour them in kind of slow so it doesn't like mix in the other paints. After you've poured all of your paint into the same cup, you're going to want to pick up your tumbler and then put the paint on the bottom of it and flip it back over onto your stand. You want to have a stand for your cup to sit on so all the paint doesn't bunch up at the bottom or at the top of the cup. So you're going to want to add more paint to the top of the cup and then use like a popsicle stick to help guide it down, or a sponge brush. But the popsicle stick, it won't blend the paint together. So what I did, I added some more paint to the top, and then added more of the different colors to the top and just used the popsicle stick on its side to push it over the edge. So now you have to wait for the paint to dry before you can add the epoxy. So now your cup's dry and it looks pretty dull, so you're going to want to add the resin and that will help it look shiny again. I think you need to add at least 2 coats of the resin and then you should be good to use the cup. Thanks for watching.